Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
75-degree air temperature, a dew point value coming in at 74. So very close together, making the relative humidity very high this morning at 96%. Feels steamy outside, feels thick. And that southerly wind will continue to pump the moisture in advance of a front. 20% chance of showers this morning. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but more likely just showers if we see any. And then as we head into the noontime hour, our rain chances are going to start to go up significantly, up to about 40%, climbing to about 60% by 3 p.m. Cloud cover will thicken, bases lower, and some of the storms could actually produce some gusty winds by that period of time. And then as we head into the 7 o'clock hour, our rain chance still high, coming in at about 70%. Thereafter, 9, 10 o'clock, our rain chances go down significantly. And after midnight, I think they'll be back down to probably 20% or less. Hour by hour through the day, our futurecast shows that southerly wind flow drawing the moisture up. Cloud cover kind of thick. Not much in the way of rainfall during the morning, but by noon you'll see a few storms around and a line of showers coming closer and closer to us. That line of showers probably around drive time will start to affect our area with some pretty big storms around, and some of them could drop maybe an inch of rainfall or more. In fact, some of the computer model estimates I'll show you in a second indicate that there could be pockets of better than 1 inch rainfalls across the region. Temperatures will start to fall, of course, because of the downdraft air, and it will get a little bit breezy. After midnight, things start to clear out. And then we'll start to watch holes in the clouds get wider and wider, maybe an isolated shower during the overnight. But then by tomorrow, I think we'll start to see the clouds clear and a much sunnier day in store for us. So that's the good news. Titan radar right now showing those showers mostly to the north of us. Big Bend region under the gun for the heavier of those storms. Those are the ones that will eventually work their way southward along the frontal boundary that's kind of a focal point for these showers. We need the rainfall. Since the beginning of the year, we're down about 4.5 inches, and since March 1st, down about 2.25. So it'll be nice to see some rain. Hopefully, we don't see anything stronger than just rainstorms. But Severe Storm Prediction Center in this area outlined in dark green, including the easternmost parts of Manatee County, Hardee, and DeSoto counties, does have a marginal risk for severe weather, meaning that maybe some of the storms could produce some hail, small hail, could possibly produce some gusty winds. We'll watch for that. Otherwise, I think just common showers and thunderstorms are what's in store for us today. With the biggest threat, if there's a threat involved in this, would be the heavy rainfall. Could lead to some ponding on roadways during drive time this evening. We'll call it a first alert weather day because of that threat later in the afternoon. We'll look at those showers, as I mentioned, building perhaps half-inch rainfall to 1 inch rainfall, maybe even more than that. We'll be looking at the potential in some isolated pockets of as much as 1 to 2 inch rainfalls. 70% chance today, tomorrow we clear out. A lot of sunshine for the next several days. Temperatures don't really lower that much because this front is not going to be a real cold front, but it will lower our humidities and make the days feel more comfortable as we head into the weekend. Sunday, 70% chance of storms with a stronger cold front. That one does indeed lower our temperatures and slice our humidity. Daytime high Monday, 74 degrees.